Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the Reolink client in Windows and add cameras to your software. Okay, let's start with the Google Chrome and then go to reolink.com. Okay, reolink.com, you go to support and download center. Then you click in Reolink Client, Microsoft to Windows, download. Okay, so the files here, zip file, you go show in folder, and you're gonna give like 2 clicks, a double click in the Reolink client for Windows. Okay, and Reolink client for Windows, double click, and then Reolink client for Windows. This is the application. 2 clicks. Run. Click run. Run. During the installation, if you get a notification about the firewall, just accept, because some configuration of the Windows require the firewall open the doors for the Reolink to communicate with camera. That's okay. Do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Yes. Next, the folder you're going to install, okay, in your computer. The application name, you'll be Reolink Client, is a good name, so next. And I'm gonna create a desktop icon. Next. Just to review, everything's fine, install. Launch Reolink Client, is checked, so finish. Cool, this is the Reolink application. I'm gonna add my camera. So I go to add device here on the right, add device. I'm gonna put a name like my office. Put the UID, my UID, and my password. Okay, and wait a little bit. And soon the image from the camera is going to show up in the screen. Okay, that's it. So this is the image from the Reolink camera and everything works. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.